dance ako.
As I prepare to marry Michael and start this exciting
No need to get done up. It's something for the moment that the sun comes up. And I hope you don't mind. I'm about to take a
Una sa lahat, gusto ko pasalamatan ng Panginoon dahil siya ang nagturo ng daan patungo sa iyo. Kung hindi dahil sa Kanya, baka hindi tayo nagkakilala. Humiling ako, Panginoon, na Lord, please naman, ibigay mo naman sa akin yung babaeng pakakalagaan ako at hindi ako lolokohin. Yung babaeng mabait, maganda, hindi bugnutin, tahimik lang pag galit, at syempre, hindi takot sa Diyos.
back, now it sounds cliche, but you are something special, so won't you stay?
Yeah, thank you so much for thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Sobrang happy lang. Kahit maulan. And ano, blessing yan. Later mawawala yan once nasa church na tayo.
Michael, kailan may di kita pagtataksilan, isuot mo at pagkaingatan.
Singsing na ito, na siyang sanla ng aking pag-ibig.
Ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan
Sa kalan ng Ama,
ng anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Daylight dancing on the wind, feels like I've been born again. When I'm with
I can't wait to celebrate this special day with you and create more cherished moments together. I love you so much. I love Karen.
Here's to celebrating together and cherishing every moment. I can't wait to share this special day with you and make even more wonderful memories. I love you, Ate Jeans.
I'm coming alive. I'm coming alive. Like a wildflower.
Hi, baby. Looking back, I realized that I did not fall in love with you just because you make me laugh. Or maybe, I prefer iced coffee over hot. Or even because you tell me you love me. So, parang before, may discussion tayo na, bakit ba ako na-in-love sa'yo? Ano yung mga reasons? Pero wala akong masabing exact reason nga. Kasi parang naka-base lang ako kung ano yung nafe-feel ko sa'yo. Pero nung ginagawa ko tong vow, alam ko na yung mga exact reasons kung ba't ako na-in-love sa'yo.
I don't wanna go another day. So I'm telling you exactly what's been on my mind. Seems like
Pinapangako ko sa iyo na hindi tayo mag-aaway tungkol sa ibang babae. Dumating man tayo sa mahirap na sitwasyon, asahan mo, kasama mo ako sa mga panahon na yon kasi alam ko sinusubok tayo ng Diyos kung paano natin malalagpasan ang problemang ibibigay niya sa atin.
Cheers to a healthy, wealthy, and happy married life!
Nobody gonna take me higher. Nobody gonna love me better. I'm still with you forever. Nobody gonna take me.
So, I fell in love with you because you love the parts of myself that I used to hide. Lahat ng insecurities ko, embrace mo yun. I fell in love with you, because you've helped me embrace my insecurities. And even at my worst, you still see me as the best. Your love has made me love and appreciate myself even more.
Pinili ko na pagsilbihan ka, poprotektahan kita sa panganib at handa akong isakripisyo ang sarili ko para sa iyo. Araw-araw ko sa iyong sasabihin na mahalaga ka sa akin at syempre, maraming salamat sa iyo, Karen. Kasi pinili mo ako na makakasama mo hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Kaya salamat at mahal na mahal kita.
I fell in love with you, with your consistency. Despite the distance, you always make sure to see me every Saturday, and you've been consistent in that for 6 years.
Nobody gonna treat me better. 'Cause I'm
chapter of our lives. I can't wait to continue building our dreams together, creating new memories and facing life's challenges. You will be the first person I see when I wake up and last person to hold to as the day ends. You will be my home. With you, I know that every moment will be filled with love and support. I can't wait to spend my whole life with you, baby. I love you so much.